ScoreCEO Credit Repair Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Welcome to our full review of ScoreCEO. All product links are included in the description below. ScoreCEO is a cloud-based credit repair business software specifically designed for professionals and entrepreneurs who want to automate and scale their credit repair operations efficiently. It's built for those who are serious about running a compliant, profitable, and streamlined business, not DIY users, but real credit repair companies looking for automation, CRM capabilities, and full business support. Key features include lead management, client onboarding, automated dispute letter generation, workflow automation, and billing integration. One of its standout features is its built-in compliance tools, helping businesses stay within legal boundaries by automatically handling disclosures, contracts, and recurring billing in a compliant way. The system also includes a client portal for real-time updates, e-signature integration, and detailed progress tracking, making it easier to manage relationships and build trust. ScoreCEO shines in automation. Disputes are auto-generated based on imported credit reports, tasks and follow-ups are scheduled automatically, and the software tracks every round and result without manual input. The dashboard gives a clear overview of KPIs, helping business owners monitor performance and growth. Strength-wise, ScoreCEO delivers on its promise of being a true all-in-one solution, reducing the need for third-party tools. It's also highly scalable, with multi-user access, white-label options, affiliate tracking, and integration with top credit monitoring providers like Identity IQ and Smart Credit. However, it does have a learning curve, especially for beginners not familiar with CRM systems. It's also one of the pricier options in the market, with monthly subscriptions that can add up for smaller startups. Customization of templates is available, but somewhat limited compared to open systems. Despite that, ScoreCEO is a top-tier platform for credit repair businesses that want to grow fast, stay compliant, and automate their daily operations. If you're ready to treat your credit repair venture like a real business, ScoreCEO has the infrastructure to back you. Be sure to check the description for full details, free trial access, and pricing options.